Welcome, let's talk about Teruna Classic coin. Today, over 820 billion 417,355,923 coins of LUNC is being traded in the past 24 hours, hitting almost 1 trillion coins in 24 hours. Teruna Classic right now at this stage is trying to recover. Teruna Classic is trying to bounce back. For the past few days, we have been recording a fall in price, and today Teruna Classic actually hit 2% increase in price with a trading volume of about $92 million being traded in the past 24 hours. Now, it's a good thing to see that Teruna Classic is trying to recover back, because like I said yesterday, if Teruna Classic continue to fall today and then also start let's say by Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday continue to fall, Teruna Classic might be dropping from almost 700 million market cap down to 400 or $350 million market cap, which is not good for Teruna Classic coin. But I'm happy to see that today they started, at least they are trying to recover from the crash, from the fall they have actually been seeing the past few days. I think 2% and I think 2.30% now, and I believe before the end of today we might be seeing 3% increase in price for Teruna Classic coin. Over 820 billion Teruna Classic coins is being traded in the past 24 hours. I'm happy because people are actually buying. As of today, people are buying. Unlike yesterday and 2 days ago, 3 days ago, many people were actually selling off their Teruna Classic. But today, you can see money is being pumped into Teruna Classic, and so many people are actually trading this coin on the buying side. And I'm happy to see this. I hope that this continues. Of course, I want to see Teruna Classic recover more fast, but at least 820 billion LUSD coins being traded in 24 hours is something good. At least shows that this coin is actually getting ready to recover, to bounce back from the fall it has actually been experiencing the past few days. Now, for do know, America have actually said do know. We have been looking to know with fraud. They are charging with fraud, and we don't know how far this issue of do know will definitely affect Teruna Classic for now. But I think that maybe this is because of this particular news everywhere is what is really affecting LUNC right now, because as of before he was actually arrested, Teruna Classic was doing well, but immediately the news about him being arrested, Teruna Classic started falling. And people want to know, people like this guy or this coin, one of the founder. So I think some people are actually selling off. People are scared, they don't know what will be happening with Teruna Classic. But for me, I think after this, I'm expecting Teruna Classic to see a rise in price. Please remember, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decisions.